Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we will go over how to sell options on your Chase U Invest account. Before we get into it, just want to mention that if any personal information such as account numbers, etc., does show up in the screen sharing and what I'm about to record, I will block those information out as I don't want to share my personal information on YouTube. Also, I have made two other videos that I recommend that you watch before proceeding with this one. The first video is how to open a Chase U Invest account and get up to $725 for opening that account and just making a deposit. And the second video is how to apply and have options trading enabled on your Chase U Invest trading account. I will leave the links to those videos in the description, or I will pin that in the comment section below. So before we move any further, I do recommend you guys check those videos out before we proceed. It will help you guys make sense of what we are going to discuss. With that being said, let's log right in and dive right into it. All right, so now we are logged into our Chase U Invest trading account. So in order to sell puts or trade options, we go to trade and we select options from the drop-down menu. And that brings us to this screen. All right, guys, so let us try to put in an order. So the underlying symbol, let's look at NASDAQ. So one of the ETFs that tracks the NASDAQ is QQQ. Okay, so QQQ, and let's try the put option, expiration. The market is trying to find some direction, so let's go a little far out. Let's go to January 15th. Okay, the strike, I have about $25,000 in my account, as you can see over here. So that would allow me to sell a put for $250 strike. Okay. I will sell to open this put, and for the sake of this example, let's choose limit order. We will go with the mid price, so $11.85 per share. We're gonna go with one contract because that's all the cash I have for this trade. So $11.85 per share, and there are 100 shares per contract. So that would give me $1,185. And time in force, let's say good till canceled. And here's the preview button. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so QQQ put for January 15th. And since we chose the mid price between the bid and the ask, it should go through. The market is closed at the moment, but if we do place this order, this would go in and get executed hopefully tomorrow. And the total money we would get from this trade is $1,184.35. I am not going to place this order, but just wanted to show you guys how to do it. So you could place this trade yourself, or a trade like this yourself, in your Chase U Invest trading account. Now guys, I would also like to mention that if you are going to be using Chase U Invest to trade options or trade in general, there are certain limitations to the Chase U Invest account. That is, you cannot trade inverse, leveraged, or volatility products. So let me show you guys. Say, let's try UPRO. UPRO is a triple leveraged S&P 500 product. Okay, so same thing, let's try to sell some puts. We will choose the same expiration. Well, we don't have the same, but very similar. January. This is January. Oops, sorry. Yep, there you go. January 2021. Let's use a 50 strike. Use the midpoint for the price. Sell to open. Good till canceled. Let's say, oh, it tells you how many contracts you could sell in total based on the amount of money you have in your trading account. So that's a handy little feature. Let's just say one contract for the sake of this example and click on preview. Okay, so see what alert they provide. We cannot place your order. Leveraged inverse or volatility ETF unavailable for purchase. So since UPRO is a leveraged product, they will not allow you to trade this. Now, a lot of you might be thinking at this point, okay, we may not be able to trade options on this. What if we wanted to buy UPRO directly? So let's give that a try. Stocks and ETFs, let's say UPRO. Let's say we want to buy one share of UPRO, day, market order, and we will click on preview. We get the same alert here because UPRO is a leverage product. Now, let's try a volatility product such as VXX, which is a very well-known volatility ETF, buy, market, one share, day, and let's try that again. We get the same alert that it will not allow us to trade any leveraged inverse or volatility product. But if we just put a regular stock, let's clear everything. Let's say Apple. If you want to buy a share of Apple, you want to buy, let's go with the market order. And once again, it gives you a handy number based on the fund you have on your account. What is the maximum number of shares you can buy? Now, since we are just trying this out to see if we would be able to place the order, we will choose the quantity as 1, time in force day, and we will see that this will bring us to the next page once we click on preview. Okay, market is closed. The price of this security may change significantly when the market reopens. So basically it's taking us to the next page to put in the order. So if I click on accept, the order would go through. Now I'm not going to click accept because I don't want to buy a share of Apple at the moment. So I will click on back. So guys, hopefully this gives you a good idea of how to sell put options in your Chase U Invest trading account. Just to hit the point home, I will show you guys one more time. Options, this is where you put in the symbol of the underlying. Let's just say QQQ, which is a NASDAQ ETF, by the way. We will be selling a put. Expiration, January 15, 2021. Strike, based on the amount of funds I have, I can only go up to 250. And it automatically populates the last bid, ask, and the mid. I'm gonna go with the mid. I'm trying to sell this one put option. Limit price is already populated. One contract. Let's say good till canceled. And we see what the estimated value here is, $1,185. So hopefully, guys, this makes sense on how to sell put options. If you click on preview, it'll bring you to the next page. And once you click on place order, your order will be placed. So hopefully guys, once again, it makes sense to you guys and it gives you an insight into how to trade options in your Chase U Invest account, more specifically how to sell puts. If all this sounds really complicated to you guys, if all this sounds really Greek to you guys, I do have a pretty long and detailed video on my channel discussing what options are, what are calls, what are puts, what are selling calls and puts like. I will also link that video in the description or in the comment section below because that is very important information. You guys need to know that in order to trade options, because options are pretty risky products, pretty volatile products. So it's imperative that you guys familiarize yourself with what these things are before you guys go into trading these. So that is it for this video. I'll go ahead and conclude this video here. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like if you guys found this video helpful, and if you think someone else will find this video helpful, feel free to share it with them. And if you like contents like this, you might want to consider subscribing to this channel. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave that in the comments section below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.